Oh, hey, welcome back. So, I call this the mommy edition. You want to know why?
Hi, I'm tired.
Be nice. So, in this video, I will be styling my oldest daughter's hair. But first, I want you to meet both of my daughters. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Tiny.
Her name is Callie. And mommy's gonna do your hair today? Okay. Let's fix your hair.
Oh, wow. I did it.
Say hi, Lily.
Hi.
Say my name is Kalia. Say Kalia. Not for your eyebrows. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. All I'm doing is parting her hair. I say this is more of a square at an angle, and you guys will see what it looks like right now. Now after straightening up these lines, all I'm doing is just picking up the hair and putting it up, securing it with a hair tie. So now it's time to work with the rest of her hair. After brushing it down, I'm going to spritz some water and then I will be adding product to keep it nice and moisturized. So the product I will be using is Shea Moisture's Kids Curling Buttercream. Her hair loves it. It's thick in consistency and it definitely keeps her hair and my youngest hair moisturized. So after slicking it back in a ponytail, I'm just going to secure it with a hair tie. So now it's time to work with the top section. All I'm doing is making a straight line down the middle, securing that one section with a hair tie, and then I'm just going to braid it up. Always make sure that your hair is detangled and it has a little bit more product in it when you braid it. I have a how-to braid on my channel, so I'll definitely leave the link down in the description box. As you guys can see here, all I did was just crisscross both braids, and I am wrapping the braids around the base of her ponytail, and I am twisting the ponytail and just putting it in a nice tight bun. Smooth down the rest of her hair. And now it is time to lay those baby hairs. So I don't use any edge control on my daughter's hair. I only use the same product from Shea Moisture. I feel that when I use enough, it just lays them down super cute, super pretty, and I really don't need to continue adding any more. And this is the last section. Get it right. And this is the final look. It's cute, it's nice and simple. If you don't know how to braid, you can flat twist or do some twists. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop some love. And I will just catch you guys next time. Adios.
Peace.